Hi friends, just got free today. We had a just happening time, uh, like hosting guests from our group, from our esteemed group, and first time, my favorite people had come to my studio, and I'm just feeling so blessed. So today, just why I'm showcasing this particular, just a very small video. So this sari, the whole series is gone. So only one of this series is available. This had been a confluence of Orissa and Andhra, the Mangalgiri and Orissa. So this is basically a extremely beautiful Pasapalli, sari, extremely beautiful Pasapalli sari. So the sari is this, the border we have given this hand block border, this cut, cut temple block border. So this design is our design. So what you have done to this sari, so this sari, this is the front half, the first half of the sari, the first half of the sari. So this is the palla. Your palla will get, and so you get a hand block border, upper and lower border like this, and then this you round this, give a total round, and then your pleats come like this. So this is the pleat part. So that's the pleat of the sari, and see the pleats, how beautiful. This block, this hand block with this lotus block is coming. So that's the pleat, that's the pleat part, that's the pleat part. So that's the combination of the sari and the body and the pleats. So this is the pleat of the sari. So that comes, this part comes from the pleats. This is the first half. So the first half is 2.5 meters, and then the pleat comes, and then the blouse. So this is the blouse. So this is just one available. The others got sold of this series. So this is for 8750. 8750. Absolutely a stunning creation. See this, see this, see this, how beautiful, how unique. So it's a stunning creation, and you can go for it. Thank you.